So I'm making this video by the request of Bangoods. I explained through photographs that this connector that the camera connects to is melted, and I received the product as the with this connector already melted. It is very apparent with the pointer that I'm using indicating the sections of the connector that's been melted, and thus what happens is the connector from the camera end is unable to plug in because of the melted flow of this particular connector. It is obstructing the connector from being inserted inside. Now this is just one of the views where it's extremely visible. As you can see, this side as well as right here is melted and it has flowed in. So I am going to actually show other portions or other views, sorry. As you can see, I have a connector and I'm going to try and demonstrate again to Bangoods that the connector will not seat. So since I have just one hand free, we will now try again to see if we can get this to sit inside. And oops, there. As you can see, the connector will not fully engage when you attempt to get it plugged in. Okay, so the problem is primarily because the plastic deformation of the male end, the female connector is not able to seat inside. So unfortunately, I'm unable to connect a camera to the connector, to this connector here, so on the power distribution board. Again, another top view of the melted connector where my pointer is indicating the deformations of this particular corner, where as you can see plastic is just all deformed and therefore will not allow the mating connector to be inserted.